This is take 3 of trying to record video games without my computer blowing up. So, that's about how I'd be pulling up on the HUDs though, bruh. I mean, this shit ain't Riz. Come on now. Fuck. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly dick in the head.
Come on, stop all that, big dog. Oh yeah.
The amazing Spider-Man.
Holy shit. Oh. I knew it was coming. Oh, say less.
Get over here!
Ah, goofy ass boy. Oh, fuck. Alright. Oh,
Enemy spotted.
you're cooked. I knew you was cooked from the moment you went into the point, bro. Yep. Ooh. Oh. 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 Come here. Come here. I'm tripping. This is it. Oh, I know who I'm gonna get. This way you don't play Black Widow. Oh yeah, your tank's done. You're done. Yup, you damn right, Spider-Man. Spider-Goon, yes sir. Oh no. Fuck it.
Man, I was playing a whole bunch of different heroes last night. Just on quick play. Man, I was fucking with Iron Man, I was fucking with Moon Knight.
Ooh, let me just back up. Oh yeah, Magneto. Oh yeah. Woo! Come here, Moon Knight. Come a little closer. Actually, what? I don't know what the fuck was going on over there. Oh my god, Cloak and Dagger, you goat. Yeah, dude! Oh my god.
I can hear the scream starting again even as I hang up the phone. And I know it's him. Drawing me out again. And I think, am I that predictable? I'm tired. I've been fighting this guy for nearly 12 hours straight. I haven't had anything to eat or drink. And he's not even tired. But I am. I'm hurt, and I'm tired, and I want to go home, and I want to sleep, and I don't want to be here, and I think, can I let this one go? Can I let it be someone else's problem? Just for a minute, so I can rest. No, I can't. But I wish I could. God, but I wish I could.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Oh! Oh! That did not go exactly as... Yep, right into that shit. Oh, I'm excited. Bitch! I'm trying. I got magic.
W. Oh my lord.
She dead.
Their healers are crazy. There you go. There you go. Oh my god. I'm gonna chase that bitch down.
She dead.
Bitch. The bitch is one.
I got Psylocke. Oh, they portal in. Oh. Type shit. Type shit.
Where you at? I don't even see you.
All you need to do is capture the mission area.
So good.
Spider could have bitten anyone, but it bit me. Pretty amazing.
Oh my god.
Tethered that nigga for you.
No, this shit was insane. I gotta show you that. Type shit. Any heals though? Thank you.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Yep.
Spider Fist is ready to punch!
Type beats.